Okay, good morning class. May bago kayong kaklase. Introduce yourself.
Ako pala si Basha Araneta. Pero pwede niyo akong tawagin Basha.
So class, we will have an activity called Big Experiment, wherein I will group you into two. All you have to do is to take care of an egg for a week and write your observations after. So JM and Joe, Nicole and Jean, Ian and Cess, Valin and Vanille, Basha and Dwayne.
Hoy! 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 Ang pangalan nito? Hoy!
Ay, huy!
Kanina pa kita tinatap. Ano mang ginawa mo dun sa itlog? Basta na, patingin na.
Ay, okay naman. Patingin na lang. Baka mo
Patingin ka ako! Sige na! Patay!